In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up carrier calculated shipping in Ecwid. Whether you're seeking a more streamlined approach to managing your shipping needs or searching for ways to improve your e-commerce store's efficiency, configuring carrier calculated shipping is a practical move. Let's dive into the process step by step. To begin, head over to Ecwid by navigating to www.ecwid.com on your web browser. Use your login credentials to access your dashboard. Once inside, focus your attention on your store's settings. This is where you have the power to enhance your shipping capabilities significantly. Next, locate the shipping and pickup section. This hub is where you'll manage all of your store's delivery options. Click on it to explore the current configurations and discover the versatile shipping options you can provide to your customers. This step opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to tailor shipping methods to meet the unique needs of your clientele. Once in the shipping and pickup section, look for an option to add shipping method and click on it. This is a crucial step as you will enable real-time shipping quotes, which not only enhance customer satisfaction but also streamline the shipping process for you. Choosing the right carrier is key to this. Whether it's USPS, UPS, FedEx, or DHL, each carrier offers unique advantages, and ideally, you'll select one that aligns best with your business objectives and the expectations of your customers. After selecting your preferred carrier, the next task is to enter the necessary API credentials provided by your chosen shipping service. These credentials establish a secure connection between Ecwid and the carrier, allowing for accurate and current shipping calculations. Ensure that these details are entered correctly to avoid any hiccups in your shipping calculations and service availability. With the carrier linked, it's time to set up shipping zones, service types, and rates. Think about the geographical areas you wish to serve and the shipping services you aim to offer. Define these zones clearly and decide the rates based on the carrier's fee or any specific pricing you'd like to implement. This flexibility empowers you to have precise control over your shipping logistics and costs. Once everything is set up, save all the settings. Review them diligently to confirm that each element from zones to rates is accurately configured. This will ensure your customers receive the correct shipping information and fees during their shopping experience. Lastly, make sure that the carrier calculated shipping feature is enabled. Remember, this feature is only accessible on Ecwid's Business and Unlimited plans. Enabling it will provide your customers real-time shipping quotes, enhancing transparency and trust. By following these clearly outlined steps, you can effortlessly set up carrier calculated shipping in Ecwid. It not only benefits your business operations, but also significantly upgrades your customers' shopping experience, making it a win-win solution for everyone involved. Thank you for following along, and happy shipping.